back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I got Josh here, actually an old friend of mine, with the 1979 Malibu. Absolutely incredible custom car. Josh, welcome to my show.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a bit about your car.
So we got a 79 Malibu, all original paint except for the hood itself. I got that built a couple years ago from a buddy of mine that does fiberglass work.
Yeah.
And then we just gutted the interior, put a new interior inside of it, and 2 new motors. This one is the latest one that we had dynoed on December, and yeah, so rocking and rolling.
Excellent. Now, you see the hood scoop here. Obviously, you've got some really great stuff in here, great engine and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Josh is not anybody to do anything halfway, so
Nope.
Tell me a little bit about what went into this car.
Found the original bill of sale. It was originally a V6 car. When I bought it, it had a 350 in it, small block, and then we put out small block, put 2 big blocks in, and now we're pushing a 496. So,
wow.
Yeah, so it's coming along slowly but surely. So,
and everything else, but the chrome, everything else is pretty well factory stock, correct?
Yep, 100%.
So not anything really custom on that, but
nope.
The engine is incredible.
The heartbeat. Yeah.
And the exhaust on it is?
It's a 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust Flowmaster kit.
Okay.
So we had that done at Park Buffalo. They did incredible work on it. So recommend it to anybody for sure, 100%.
Yeah, I'm talking to him as well.
Yeah. Yeah, Ed's a good guy. So
he is. He is. Is it going to shut offs on it on an exhaust? Or just straight through? You get sound you get.
No, straight through.
Yeah.
What you get is what you get. Yeah, for sure.
Good. And suspension on it?
All new QA1 suspension, all 4 corners. We have brand new sway bars front and rear, and then we have the 4-link suspension in the back. It's all new arms, upper, lowers. So that's all done, and then a TA cover on the 8.5-inch diff that's in there as well. So, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Are they adjustable suspension, or is it?
Yeah, single adjustable.
Okay.
So,
to what degree? How many inches?
That I don't know, but it goes up 1 to 10 is the numbers that are on the suspension.
Okay.
Itself,
So there's some good distance on it.
Good distance on it, yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure. We're sitting at 6 right now. So
excellent, and the ride's nice. That's why pulling in looks great.
100%. So
yeah,
I'm actually very happy with the way it sits right now, which is good. So,
if you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.
Sporty for sure.
Yep.
And the brakes?
Stock, actually.
Really?
Yeah, we got drums in the back, and then I just changed out the rotors last summer, actually. So now we're got cross drilled up at the front, and just stock everything else. So
excellent. Yeah. Excellent. And tires and rubber?
Tires, we have Cooper Cobra on the front, and then in the back we got ETS Streets 275/60s on the back, and then Wild Racing Pro Stars all the way around. So
excellent. So it rides nice.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
From where it's been, where it was, yeah, it's a totally different car now. So.
Absolutely. And the interior?
Interior, we changed out the carpet. It was ripped gold, crappy carpet. Painted the floors, no rust at all.
I was going to ask if there's any rust in the floors.
No rust. We shaved it down, cleaned it, painted it, and then put brand new carpet in there, and 2 new seats as well. Kept the back seat from the original. There's nothing wrong with it, so I'll just put it back in. And then new steering wheel from Forever Sharpening, and then we got automated gauges as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Dashboard all original?
Dashboard's all original, yeah. We got a new placement cap that's coming in next week, so that'll be on there as well next week. And I'll take care of the crappy one that's in there right now. So
it never ends, does it? You're always doing something. That's the part of owning a car.
Yeah, 100%.
Especially a custom car.
Yeah, exactly.
It never ends.
So.
Have you reached a point in this car so far where you're saying, I'm good?
No, not yet. There's still some other stuff that we want to do. New transmission's going to go in it. Probably mini tubbing it this winter, and then hopefully paint. So then we'll see what happens.
Going to stay with yellow?
I don't know. It'll either be the original same paint colors that we got now, or we're going to go maybe a gunmetal gray with black stripes. So
excellent.
Haven't decided what we're going to do yet. But.
Stripes up over that
We're thinking
That would
SS,
be
yeah,
great.
the same SS stripes you would see on a Camaro or a Chevelle.
Yep.
So, yeah,
Excellent.
what we're thinking.
Fantastic. And it's automatic?
Yes, 700 R4, going to be a turbo 350 ordeal. So, yeah.
Excellent. And the engine in this, I know you mentioned you had a few engines.
Yep.
How did it start and where did you go and what was the steps getting there?
Well, the motor that was originally in here when I bought it, it was a 350. Not nearly enough power is what I like, so we got rid of that one. Actually, another person in Sherwood Park bought it for his Chevelle, so it's actually hit the streets a couple times this year. And then we put a 396 in from 71 Chevelle, a buddy of mine. And that wasn't nearly enough power, so we took that one out, sold it to a guy in Saskatchewan, and now we got a brand new, freshly built dyno broken in 496.
Excellent.
So,
anything customized that you did or that you wanted to still do?
Motor-wise, we're thinking about single turboing it, but that won't be for a little while yet. So we're just going to leave it alone for now and see what it does.
Excellent.
Take it out to the strip, and hopefully it runs what we think it's going to run. So
absolutely, I'm sure it will. Josh, thank you so much for being on my channel. I appreciate your time. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.